Hey guys, what's up? It's Play Allegiance here. We're gonna be playing a game called White Noise. It's sort of like Slender, and today I'm just gonna be. It's gonna be pretty scary. Okay, well, we're just gonna be doing this, and yeah. So today it's not really a let's play, really. It's just really what I call a. Just what I call, I don't know. Um, so it's just gonna be me just playing, just telling you guys some things. So, yeah. Just gonna be telling you guys some things, what's gonna be coming up and whatnot. And yeah. There's a guy talking. Alright. Wow, his name is Minnesota Burns, number 2. Alright, looks like I'm just gonna be playing alone. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's play here. Never played. Actually, I've played once. Turn down the volume a bit. It's gonna be him. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be telling you I've made up some new things. So like once we start. Alright. So this is the game. Alright, so we're just gonna be talking about what's gonna be happening in the next few days. So there's just gonna be this thing called iPlays instead of Let's Plays, you know. So I made that up. It's gonna be called iPlay, and we may have you play, where you guys pick the game, and then we'll have a thing called oh shit, don't go near that thing. We'll have a thing called weeks. So 1 week we'll have a week of Halo. Another week we'll have a week of White Noise. Another week we'll have a week of COD. Another week we'll have a week of Borderlands. Or another week we'll have a week of fucking Minecraft. So yeah. So look forward to that. Venom Viper. I know you guys really couldn't hear a lot in that GTA video special guest, but I'll do that. I'm gonna fix that, but he'll be in some more videos. So, yeah. Where the fuck is this guy? So this is like Slender on the Xbox. Pretty fun game, actually. Just got a text. You know, I've never played this. Let's see what happens if I go towards that thing. Oh! Ah! Jesus fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Jesus. Scariest thing. Holy crap. Alright. Alright, well, that's all I'm gonna be doing. That was fucking scary as hell, but thank you all for watching. I'm scared out of my mind. Bye, everybody.